Welcome back, friends, and today we have a Strider knives. Model is DB, and some quick, so here's the Kydex sheath here. There's 3 drainage holes. You have your eyelets here if you want to run some paracord through. Very well made Kydex. There's a little thumb, just a tiny little thumb ramp here. So some quick specs is overall length is 7 1/4 inch, and the blade length is 3 1/8 inch. The cutting edge is 2.75 inch, and the weight is 8 ounces without the sheath. So this little guy is a stouty 8 ounces, and the blade where the steel is 3V, which is, they say that 3V is one of the most durable steels. And there's a clip of this where they're chopping bricks and stabbing car hoods and all sorts of stuff. I don't need to break concrete blocks with this, but it's assuring to know if I need to, it's capable. And the stock is 0.19 inch. And this is from the Monkey Edge edition. There's the Monkey Edge and the Strider logo, and then the CPM 3V in made in USA. The handle scale is the Monkey Edge Frag Pattern edition, and this color is, they call it the Battleship Gray. You can see the profiles, the Tonto. There's the Strider name right there. It's kind of hard to see, especially it's got the coating to prevent rust on the steel and for the glare. It does this Kydex sheath, it does come with like these molly straps. They're like these plastic molly straps, but I don't have it hooked up. But they do come with, like I say, these 2 plastic bars with screw hardware, so you can mount it like on a vest. But I didn't install that, so. You can see see if we can get the grinds on this is very well done, which is expected from Strider. And the jimping is highly effective if you're into that. with this monkey edge frag pattern and this jimping, it literally it locks your hand in place. And then there's some jimping up on the end here, nice contour where you just your thumb rests. They do have, you'd be hard to find, I don't know if Strider is making these in 3V anymore, the DB, and they do have a new model out. It's in 3V, but it's not the Tonto. It's more of, it's like a mixture of Tonto and a drop point, which is really fascinating and looks really cool in design. But yeah, this is a hefty little stouty little blade. You got a generous big hole here if you want to run a lanyard, and this pattern handle scale is G10. It's hard to see the Strider logo, but it's there. And then their little motif or emblem, the knife with the wings is here, and then the steel and USA is here. This knife is not really designed to do like fine chores of, say, peeling apples and stuff like that. But like all tools, they serve a purpose. And this one is mostly designed for really to be abused in hard use. You can see the stock there. A very fine tip. And then like I said, the kydex sheath is really well done. Just 2 screws here holding the scales, and that's it. Full tang construction. Like I say, there was a video of it of when they're chopping bricks and stabbing car hoods. You see sparks flying, and they're even they stab it into a tree and stand on it. So I'm sure it will hold up for what it's designed for. It's been tested and proven. So there you have it, friends. The Strider DB in 3V steel, Monkey Edge edition. And until next time, friends, have a great day.